Hello everyone, I'm Zhichunbai. Today I'm going to talk about our work, Explain Me the Painting, Multi-Topic Knowledgeable Art Description Generation. First, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever visited an art museum, looked at a painting, and wondered, what is the story behind it? Honestly, for most of us, art tends to be considered as a mysterious and remote discipline that requires a lot of study to be fully appreciated. In the recent years, many efforts have been made to apply artificial intelligence technologies to the domain of art to make it more accessible. Well, most of the existing work is focused on the automatic analysis of paintings, addressing problems such as attribute prediction, content analysis, and so on. However, there is still an absence of research that conveys in-depth and comprehensive information of artworks for the general public. In this work, we take a step forward by generating comprehensive descriptions of fine art paintings. Image captioning aims to naturally and factually describe the content of the scene in the image. Art description generation may be seen as a problem similar to that. Since we focus on the art painting images, there are some extra challenges. The first challenge is multi-topic. According to art historians, an informative description of an artwork should address three main topics: content, form, and context. While in standard image captioning, only the content is considered. The second one is knowledgeable. A comprehensive explanation of an artwork requires not only the factual description of its content, but also background knowledge, such as details about its author, the context of the creation process, and so on. This information is rarely contained in the artwork image itself. To address these challenges, we introduce a multi-topic and knowledgeable art description generation framework. It is composed of three modules. Generally, an artwork image is used to both generate multi-topic masked sentences with fillable slots and retrieve related knowledge from an external source. Then, the retrieved knowledge is being filled into the masked sentences. Let's look into the detail of the framework. First is the masked sentence generation part. In this part, the art description are firstly split into three parts according to the topic. Next, a named entity recognition is applied to process the normal sentences into masked sentences. Then, we use the corpus to train the decoder. To address the multi-topic challenge, we propose two variants of multi-topic decoder. In the parallel decoder, there are three baseline decoders to generate masked sentences for each topic independently. We also explore a conditional decoder that adopts a topic conditional vector, namely topic embedding, into the decoding process. To address the challenge of generating informative descriptions, we rely on external knowledge base. We use Dr. QA, an efficient document retriever, to find relevant information. The queries are automatically constituted from the image by extracting artistic attribute and visual concepts using pre-trained models. Finally, in the knowledge extraction and filling module, we fill the masked concepts with one or several knowledge words. A BERT-based model is trained as a sequence-to-sequence task to find appropriate words to fill the blanks in the generated masked descriptions. We use the SimArt dataset to optimize our framework. We annotate the original comments in SimArt with their corresponding artistic topic. We based our evaluation on how well humans perceive the text generated by our models. For each painting, we ask annotators to rate each description according to the matrix. For most of the metrics, especially the ones that are more related to the informative aspect of the description, our framework outperforms the baseline by a large margin. Next, we show a qualitative comparison of our method. The sentence generated by the classical method is short and easy to understand, but it only contains very rare information and has difficulties in some low-frequency words. The paragraph generated by a text summarization method looks detailed, but it is mainly talking about the author, not about the artwork. Then, the sentences generated by our method are describing artwork from different aspects, which conveys a comprehensive information to the reader. However, our framework still has some limitations, such as imperfect knowledge, syntax error, and the misdetection of the visual concept. These limitations are also what we hope to address in the future work. To conclude, our work had the following contributions. We proposed the first framework for art description generation. We designed a multi-topic language modeling module to generate multi-topic descriptions, and we leverage retrieval and fill-in-the-blank mechanism to incorporate external knowledge. Additionally, we annotate and release a topic-aware art description dataset for future research of the community. Thanks for watching.